Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get rid of the bloatware on your HP OmniBook 5 flip laptop. Now in this video I will not explain how to uninstall Microsoft bloatware, but in terms of HP pre-installed applications, all we have to do to uninstall them is go to the Start menu, then open Settings, and then open the Apps menu on the sidebar. Now select Installed Apps and scroll down and find the bloatware that you want to uninstall. For example, I think most of you would love to uninstall McAfee antivirus. To do that, tap the three dot icon next to it and select Uninstall, then Confirm, then proceed with the instructions, press Yes, then click Skip. We don't need to explain ourselves. Click Uninstall, and then wait until this program is fully removed from your PC. And this way you can uninstall all the bloatware by HP on your device. And we also have to restart our computer by clicking Restart Now to finish this operation. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.